The internet carries our news, connections and 92% of the wealth on the entire planet. Life would be unimaginable without it. So what if the sun killed it? To understand how this could occur, we must first understand how magnets and electricity work. When a magnet is put into motion, it generates a changing magnetic field. This changing magnetic field induces an electric field. Simply by running around with a magnet in the right conditions, you can generate electricity. The newly changing electric field creates its own magnetic field that disrupts the original. Where might one find a large, magnetic field powerful enough to generate apocalyptic levels of electricity? Right here. Any major solar event, such as a coronal mass ejection, can lead to the Earth being pummeled by solar winds and solar material. Luckily, the Earth's magnetic field acts as a ubiquitous protector, shielding us from everything the sun sends our way. This will, however, cause the Earth's magnetic field to change. A worldwide changing magnetic field will lead to unpredictable levels of current and new magnetic fields being generated. As the internet is reliant on highly conductive cables that travel from continent to continent, this would wreak havoc on one of humanity's most important tools. No electrical appliance will be safe either, as electric fields will be generated everywhere. While the chance of a coronal mass ejection is small, the likelihood is increased during a solar maximum. These are periods of high solar activity. And the next one is 18 months away.